Okay guys, so I'm back and now what we are going to do is we are going to delete a node in linked list. So previously you have seen how to insert a node, right? So this is the linked list. This node ends is the ending node, that is, so its value is null, its address part is null, and this is the head one, first one. Okay. So in deletion we have basically three parts. Okay, so first is at beginning, second at end, and third is in the middle. Okay, so now we are gonna start with with at beginning part. This is the easiest one to delete. We have to do nothing but just we have to move the head from here to here and remove this link. Okay, so for that we will take an pointer p which will point this first one, which is also is pointed by head. Will increase the head to this one and will delete the link. Let's start. Delete at beginning. Okay. So first we take a ptr and we use head. Okay, and as I told you before that in the insert, if we want to change the value of head, we need to declare head as global head, as head is a global variable that is taken in every function. So to change it we have to say global head and then we have to modify the value. Okay, now easy it is as it is head equal to head dot next and ptr dot next equal to none. Okay. This will delete the first node at the beginning. Let's see. Print delete first node. Okay, and let's call the function delete at beginning and display. Let's run the program and let's see if it's work. So 1 2 3 4 and 5, deleting the first node here. See, so here is the linked list I entered, and this is the first display function. Okay, the first display function, it is displaying the whole list and then it's just deleting the first node. As you can see, it is only showing 2 3 4 5, 2 3 and 4 5, and 1 is not showing. Similarly, if we want to delete at the last, what do we need to do? Let's see in the picture. Okay, so what we need to do is we need a pointer, okay, that will point to this one, the last node, and we need another pointer which will point to the node previous to this link, to the last previous to the last node. After that we will just make the link of this, of the t pointer disappear, and so this node will be deleted. So what we need to do for that, So let's start with ptr equal to head. Now while ptr dot next not equal to none, you can also do as I told you, is not none is also a valid function. So first what you need to say temp equal to ptr and ptr equal to ptr dot next. Okay, now temp dot next equal to none. Okay, so delete last node and instead of delete at beginning we do delete at end, delete at last, sorry. Okay, so let's run the program and let's see if it works. 1 2 3 4 and 5, and here we can see the last node is deleted. It is 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and after deleting it is 1 2 3 and 4. That's it. Okay, so we get this value, we get how to delete at the last. Now the last one is how to delete in the middle. To delete in the middle we again need two pointers. Okay, the one which will point to the value we want to delete. Suppose we want to delete this node, okay, and say it is p, and another one which will be t, which will be pointing just the previous node of the node we want to delete. Okay, once we get that, we do not delete this link. Instead we change this link to this one. Okay, that is the next of t is equal to next of p, and we remove this link. Okay, and that will be all. So let's see what we can do. Def delete at mid, and we will take a value from the user who will say which value is to be deleted. Now ptr equal to head while ptr dot data is not none, it's not val, sorry, not val, ptr equal to temp equal to ptr and ptr equal to ptr dot next. Okay, now we come out of the while loop and we do that temp dot next equal to ptr dot next and ptr dot next equal to none. Okay, ptr, so temp dot next equal to ptr dot next and ptr dot next equal to none. Okay, and I think this will do enough in the middle. Okay, now delete middle node and print enter node to be deleted. Okay, and input say val equal to input and middle and val. So here we have. Okay, so let's see if it works. Suppose we want to delete the third value 3. Okay, see, let's check. Okay, we want to delete the value 3, 1, 3 and 4, 5. Yes. So we had this we had this list before, and after reading the third node we get this value. Okay, so this is deleting linked list using Python. Thank you for watching.